Hello, guys. I know it's been a minute since we've had a flip video. Crazy ice storms are putting a glitch in our little plans. So, we're having one tonight. We are starting a new unit this week. We started today, and it's about data. Do you remember what data is? Think about it. Think about it. It's a collection of information, right? So, we're going to talk about a specific type of way to represent our data. Remember, to represent means to show. Let me move my little self up there. So we're going to write making picture graphs. So you can write picture graphs. Another way to say this would be a pictograph. So you'll hear me say both just because I've called it both during my teaching time and it's been called different things. So it means the same thing though. Picture graph, pictograph, same thing. Okay. Pictograph is one word though. So we reviewed tally charts today. Y'all learned about tally charts in second grade in first grade and I think in kindergarten too. Just a little sip, 1 second. So now, excuse me, we're going to use that tally chart to make a picture graph. So we're going to draw a box about the same size as our one that we glued in, okay? And we're going to literally do the same title. We're just going to write breakfast at the top. Breakfast. Also, guys, I'm super excited because I'm going to have a new program to make my flip videos then on the iPad. I'm so excited. So stay tuned for that. I won't have all this messiness going on. So anyway, we're going to make a little section right here, and then we're going to divide this into 3 sections. Okay? So pause it if you need to catch up. And we're going to call this Y for yogurt, P for pancakes, D for donuts. All right, and our goal is to we're representing our data. So remember, represent means to show, okay? So we're showing these tally marks in a different way, okay? So you can show the same group of information in like 10 different ways, okay? And we're gonna talk about a lot of them. So you can show it with a picture graph, you can show it with a tally chart, you can show it with a bar graph or a line plot or a pie graph, which we're not gonna learn about in second grade, but all kinds of ways, okay? And when you do that, it just helps you to see the data better, okay? Rather than having like yogurt, pancake, donut, 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 yogurt, pancake, pancake. I can't see anything about that whenever I just have it all grouped together in like a jumbled mess. So this helps me to organize it, okay? So our goal here is to turn these tally marks into pictures, and we're just going to draw one picture per tally mark. So for yogurt, we're going to draw just a little container with a lid like that. And there's 2 tally marks. So I'm going to draw 2 containers. Container with a lid. Okay. There's my pictures of my yogurt. These do not need to be complicated pictures. We don't need to color them. We don't need to shade them in and add lots of detail. And I know I have some artists in my class who would love to do that. And you can maybe do that on like a special thing that we do, but for normal everyday picture graphs, you just draw a little sketch. Okay. Pancakes. Well, pancakes are pretty easy, but I have 6 of them. So I'm going to draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm maybe just going to draw a little pat of butter on each of them. So I know they're pancakes. Okay. So I have 6 pancakes. So I have 6 pancake pictures. 6 tallies, 6 pictures. So how you're using the tally chart to know how many pictures to draw in each section. Donuts. So donuts, we've got, oh man, my donuts are going to look, we have 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. My donuts are going to look a lot like my pancakes, but we're drawing circles instead of squares. Let's draw some sprinkles on them so we know they're donuts. Okay. So on a picture graph, it's important that you have a key. So we're going to write down here key, okay, and a little colon. And the key helps us to unlock the picture graph. And it's going to be really important that we use the key tomorrow. I was going to say next week. Tomorrow, whenever we talk about analyzing picture graphs. So the key, we're going to say one picture, we're going to say one pic equals one vote because people are voting on, excuse me, on their favorite breakfast food. Okay. Sometimes you'll have a picture graph where one picture equals 5 votes or 2 votes or 3 votes. So you got to really pay attention to that key. Let's do this guy down here. Same way. We're going to draw our box as big as that box. We're going to do our title, and we're going to call it snacks. Okay. We're going to do our little section over here for our snacks, and we're going to divide it into 4 sections. Remember, easiest way to divide into 4 sections is divide it in half and then divide each half in half. Okay? And we're going to say CA for carrot, P for pretzel, G for grapes, and CH for chips. And we're going to take these tallies, and that's going to tell us how many pictures to draw on that section. So let's use our blue. That's good. Blue will be good. So carrots, how many carrots do we have? 3. So we're going to draw 3 carrots. These could be jalapenos. These could be little fish. We have no idea, but right now they're carrots. Okay, it doesn't have to be a pretty sketch. Pretzels, we have 5. So I'm going to draw like a little heart pretzel. We're just going to do the pretzel the best you can. Doesn't have to look super fancy. Oh, that looks like an 8, Miss Hartgrove. That's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, there's my twisty pretzels. Grapes. I'm just going to draw single grapes. And we have 6 of them. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 grapes. And chips. So chips, let's draw triangles like they're Doritos or something, okay? And we have 10 of them. So we have 1, 2, you have to draw them kind of small so you can fit them all. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fit them all. Did it. And again, we need a key, right? Our key, 1 picture equals how many votes? 1 vote. So it's not always going to be votes. Sometimes it could be students. It could be anything, really. So you just have to pay attention to the title, and that will tell you what each thing is representing. Okay? All right, guys, head on over to Seesaw and give those a couple a try. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.